Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change password on your Udemy account. So if you want to change your Udemy password, first of all open up your Udemy website, and after opening your Udemy website and then tap on the three bar icon which is on the top left hand, and after tapping on the three bar icon, tap on your profile picture which is on the top, and after tapping on your profile picture tap on account settings. After tapping on account settings, scroll down and you can find the password over here. So to change the password, first you have to enter your current password and then enter your new password and re-enter that same password in the third blank. So after entering your new password, just tap on change password and you will successfully change your password in your Udemy account. So this is how you change your password in your Udemy account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.